Hello dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to parameter set and operation terminal and keypad run command for ATV312 Schneider inverter. Okay, first I'm going to parameter, press mode button to go parameter. I'll go CTL control, press enter. I'll go LAC local, here L1, L2, L3. L3 need to active. Now backspace, CF, press. Now sync. Here will ACP separate, press. Now press CDI, here press enter. Terminal local, press for local operation. Exit to press escape. Now we can run by keypad the motor. Press run, switch, motor is running, motor is stopped. Now we cannot run the motor from terminal, no run, need to change parameter. Okay, let's go to parameter again, CTL, CDI, press enter. Now local is set, need to change terminal, press escape, exit. Now run the motor from terminal. Stop. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.